What's up, everybody? How are you all doing? And how has your week gone so far? Because it's been a little bit trying around here, to put it mildly. So I can only imagine what some of you guys must be going through at home. It's just absolute craziness right now. So I figured we needed a little pick-me-up right now. Like, I need a pick-me-up. So we're going to be unboxing and checking out my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April, and I also have a special surprise in this video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. So if you guys are ready, let's do this thing. So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month plus tax, and I do pay for this box. So if you guys are ready, let's see what we got. All right, so of course there is a little card inside that lists all of the products, a little description of them, how much it retails for. So we're gonna set that off to the side as long as it doesn't fall there. And the first product we are pulling out is the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner, and I'll show you guys what it looks like right there. Now, I'm not going to take it out of the box because, as you guys already know, I have a ton of eyeliners, and I'm going to set it off to the side for a little surprise later. But basically, it is a liquid liner on one end, a kohl liner on the other end, and Tarte actually has pretty good eyeliner, and they're a little pricey. That retails for $24. So again, stay tuned. We're going to set that off to the side. All right, so the next product that we have is okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys this real fast. So do you guys see like those little brown dots on the little foamy thing here? And then on the inside of the box, and then I'll show you guys like the end of this here. Like, do you see like that brown stuff? I don't know if you guys can see that there. And then listen. Can you guys hear that? Like, and then look, and the tube is actually sealed. So like the end here busted or is like not sealed open in the corner. Do you hear that little squealing? Yeah, so that kind of stinks. So I'm just gonna set that off to the side because I don't want to use something that, you know, obviously busted, the air may have hit it or whatever. But that is the Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask. It does retail for $49, and I'll show you guys what it looks like again. And apparently this is supposed to be an exfoliator and a dirt mask as well. Now, I did see and hear some reviews about this mask that it does have like kind of like a warming effect. Some people were saying that it like made their skin kind of tingly. So just beware of that if you did receive that in your Ipsy box. If you just, you know, test a little patch out first before you go on and use it, just in case you might have any like skin irritation or something to it. And hopefully that didn't get on everything else in the box. Let's look at the bag here. It doesn't look like it got on the bag, which, by the way, this bag is super cute. Oh my gosh, I really love the little wooden tassel-y thingy here. That is cute. Now, I really, really do like this bag, and they have like Ipsy ingrained there on the wood. That is super cute, you guys. All right, so we're gonna set that down, and then the next product we have in here is the Foxy Bay Flamingo Leave-In Cream Conditioner, and this I am super excited about. I love receiving good and new hair care products in my boxes. So this says it retails for $18.95, and basically this is gonna shine up your hair without giving it, you know, like a greasy look to it, and give you that extra conditioning, you know, that we all need right now, especially. So I'm really excited to give this a go. I will let you guys know what I think of it. And the next product we have in here looks like a palette, and this is by Shani B Miami. I've got to be butchering that. Shana B Miami. Yeah. Shani B Miami. So that is what the outside carton looks like. I'm not going to swatch this because I am going to add this to our little giveaway, but that is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it's got like a little cellophane thing on it protecting it. It is very, very cute for sure, and it's got little flamingos printed in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Too cute. All right, so I'm going to put this back in here because I have a ton of palettes right now, you guys, to go through and use. I'm still decluttering some and I'm not done with that. And then, by the way, that palette retails for $20. And then the last product we have in our box is the Girlactik Jello Gloss Balm. And this I'm actually kind of interested in. I have actually really been enjoying some Girlactik products. I've been receiving them in quite a few different boxes, and they have really surprised me on a few different items. So we're definitely going to test this out right now because I'm excited. It does say that it retails for $18. Now, before I take off what I do have on my lips, I do want to give a quick shout out and thank you to Yves Saint Laurent. They did gift me this right here, which is the Rouge Veloute Rock and Shine Glitter Starcore Sparkling Lipstick. This is what the outside packaging looks like, and this is in the color Rocking Coral, which I have to say, you guys, I truthfully did not think that I was gonna like this at all, especially this color, and I'll show you guys why. I mean, first off, can we just talk about this packaging? The packaging is absolutely gorgeous, but this color just is so bright, and I did not think I was gonna like it. But you guys see how it has that like little star thing on the inside? It's the craziest lipstick ever. Like, it looks like a lipstick, it feels like a lipstick until you apply it, like really apply it. And then that little star gives you like that sparkle in just the right area. And it's almost like a lip gloss and a stick and a stain and a shine and a conditioner all in one, which is insane, you guys. And honestly, since I have been using this, which it's crazy, I even use this on no makeup days. As you guys can tell, I've been using the absolute crap out of it. So I really do love this. It surprised the heck out of me, and I do want to pick up some more because it does really make your lips very, very soft and conditioned feeling. So this product really surprised me. Good job, YSL. Kudos to you because you definitely did a good job on it. But now I have to take it off, sad to say. I'll put it back on when I'm done. But I do really love that product. So if you are looking for a really, really good conditioning lipstick, and I mean, look at that. You can just do like a little tint, or you can build it up. Such a good lipstick. Such a good lipstick. And I love the smell too. It smells like mango-y smell. You know what I'm saying? All right. So let's check out this Jello Gloss Balm by Girlactik. So that is what it looks like. It literally looks like Jello. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is literally like Jello. That's probably the perfect name for this. It literally feels like I took a cube of Jello and I'm just rubbing it on my lips right now. That is so crazy. Oh my gosh. So that is different. I like that. I'm not a fan, and you guys know I'm not a fan of receiving lip glosses and balms and like this kind of thing in my box, but this is different. This is not like your usual lip balm. It's like Jello. It literally, this is like the perfect name for it, but it feels like really, really good. I really like that. So that is going in my yes pile. I can't stop doing that. Like, I'm telling you, look at this. I really like this product, you guys. Like, what is up with all of these companies bringing it in the lip department? I mean, they are bringing it hardcore. Dior had a really good lip oil. Yves Saint Laurent, these are amazing. Now Girlactik, I'm telling you. Like, I can't stop rubbing my lips together. They feel so smooth and nice right now. Oh my gosh. All right. So let's do a quick recap on what we got in our box, some final thoughts, and then let's get on to the goodies for you guys. All right. So of course we got obviously the lip jelly, which I love this so much, so much. So totally worth this whole box. And then the Foxy Bay Flamingo leave-in cream conditioner. I was really, really happy to receive this, and I'm excited. My daughter will actually be really excited for this too. So that's awesome. The Tarteist Double Take eyeliner. This is really a great product. Like if you are short on eyeliners, or you're needing a good eyeliner, or you need a good dual eyeliner or a 2-in-1, or for traveling. So honestly, this is a great product. I just have a ton of eyeliner. So, but this is still amazing, and it totally pays for this entire box. And then we had the little explosion of the Dutch Dirt mask. So that kind of stunk, but it's okay. I can forgive them. And then of course we had the palette that we didn't get to try, but that's okay because it's going to one of you guys. All right, so let's talk about this giveaway, because again, I feel like we all need a pick-me-up right now. So I got a little something extra that I'm throwing in because of the situation. So this is my favorite, one of my favorite scents from Bath and Body Works. Okay, this is In the Stars Shine Bright. So there is literally a body mist, there is a lotion, and there is a hand sanitizer in there. It's just a mini. It's, you know, it's what I can do right now, but I figured somebody really needed this. So I have this that I'm going to put in this giveaway. We are also going to put the Tarte Double Take eyeliner. We are going to put this palette. I also have another palette that I'm going to put in there, but I don't know what I did with it, but I'm going to find it. But I have another palette. So you're going to get 2 palettes. You're going to get the eyeliner. You're also going to get a floss, my new favorite lip gloss, which is actually a pretty good lip gloss. If you guys saw this, I unboxed this in my Allure. I actually had already received one free for a review. So this is a double, but this is actually a pretty good lip gloss. It's got like a doe foot in there, but it's a squeezy tube. So this is pretty nice, and I think one of you guys would enjoy that. And to go along with that, I'm also going to put in there the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, which is, again, as I told you guys, it's an alright mascara. It's nothing amazing, but it's nothing terrible. It will definitely lengthen and give you volume. So if you need a good, decent, reliable mascara, you have one. And then I'm also going to put in there a Cabral by Benefit Cosmetics in number 3. And then I'm also going to put in there a mini of the Mamond Red Energy Recovery Serum. So you're basically going to get like a full eye look plus a little body care in there as well. So this is all you have to do to enter. Of course, be subscribed, and then comment down below whatever you want. You can comment, hi, how are you doing? How's your week been? You could comment your favorite thing from this box. You know, it doesn't have to be anything in particular, just comment, because we don't want people that didn't know there was a giveaway in this video just knowing based on your comment. So just comment whatever you want. Just, you know, be inconspicuous about it. You know what I'm saying? And just comment what's going on, whatever you want. All right, so comment, be subscribed, and if you want to get an extra entry, then simply follow me on Instagram. If you're not already following me, if you are already following me, follow me on Instagram and comment on my most recent post. I just posted a post today, so comment on that post, like and comment. That will get you an extra entry. And let's see, when are we going to draw this? So how about 2 weeks from today? So I don't know exactly when that is because I don't have a calendar in front of me, but I will put that right here. And then of course I will list it down below in the description box along with the rest of the rules for entering and all of that good jazz. So that is all I have for you guys today. Hopefully this brightened your day just a little bit. I know it's nothing amazing. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys. I'm also putting a beauty sponge in there too. So all of the other stuff plus a beauty sponge. I hope you guys really enjoy this, whoever wins it. Of course, these are drawn randomly, and then we do announce the winner in the community tab. So again, 2 weeks from today, all the information is down below. If you want extra entry, make sure you're following me on Instagram and you like and comment my most recent post, which was just posted today. And until next time, you guys, see ya.